Look, man, should I give up on my hopes and dreams?
Hell no! That's the only thing you should fight for, my dude.
Can you come to my graduation?
You ain't graduated yet?
Nah.
Why are you graduating college?
I dropped out, then I got back in. Then I dropped out again, and this is my last year.
Are you doing it for your family or are you doing it for yourself?
You know, I'm just doing it just to do it.
You in debt for this shit?
Yeah.
Where are you going to college?
I'm going to QCC.
Fuck that shit.
Fuck that college shit.
College made a lot of sense at some point in our world. You think you're getting some great paying job because you got a fucking diploma for fucking Queens Community College? Now, if you're doing it for mom and dad like I did, that's one thing. Falling back on Queens Community College diploma is not it in 2024. You'll get more jobs on just being good at what you do, so don't amass too much debt and don't amass too much pressure on yourself to get it done.
Can you give me a slap for being a bad boy?
Attention is the #1 asset.
Yo, man, should I give up on my hopes and dreams?
What's that?
Should I give up on my hopes and dreams?
Nah, man, never.
Never?
Hopes and dreams? What the fuck else are you living for? That's the only thing you should keep, let alone give up.
I'm living for girls and having a good time in the club.
Well, you should. You're fucking a kid. That's exactly what you should be doing.
You should come to the club with me sometime.
I'll come anytime with you, my guy. You gonna wear this?
Yeah.
All right,
You gotta
bet.
throw money with me, though.
I got cash.
I can't throw anything.
I got paper, you got looks.
We got looks.
We got looks.
You got paper.
We got looks.
And I'm gonna get the paper.
Of course, bro. I had no fucking paper at this age. How old are you?
23.
Yeah, bro, I had no fucking paper. None.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go in the future. I'm gonna get a time machine, and when you're 23, I'm gonna give you a bunch of paper.
Nah, man, if you give paper, then I won't learn how to make it myself.
My bad.
Got me?
How do you make paper?
Reverse engineer what you're good at. You know, the key is people see other people coming down this subway. Oh, he makes it this way, he makes it that way, I make it this way. You need to figure out yourself. It's a self-awareness game. Are you a salesman? Are you an operator? Are you a creator? There's a lot of different ways to fucking make paper. The problem is people don't know themselves well enough to figure out how they can do it. They pay attention to how other people do it and try to act like them instead of act like themselves.
I like that.
It's real.
Hit the soul.
Right deep?
In my ear.
Yeah, I see it.
And
Is
then
that where your soul is?
Down right here.
Right here? In the belly?
And then it stopped right here.
Right here in the belly?
And then went all the way down. I see those shoes.
I'm trying, bro. Look at you, bro. I'm keeping up with you. Not too bad.
How much paper is too much paper?
That's a really good fucking question. Too much paper is when it's taken over your world and you're just about stacking it and not understanding that what it's really doing is giving you peace of mind so you can focus on shit that makes you happy. So it's different for everyone, but it's when it crosses over and it controls you versus you managing it.
You think Jay-Z got too much paper?
I don't know Hov like that. You know, like, I don't think it's about anything other than when it's controlling you versus you using it for what you need to be doing, that's when the shit fucking flips on the wrong side of the pillow.
And what's your favorite curse word?
Fuck face.
Fuck face.
Yeah.
Stop being a fuck face.
Stop being a fuck face.
You keep being a fuck face.
Or dickhead.
A dickhead. Stop being a
Dickhead's
dickhead,
a good
fuck
one.
face.
Stop being a fuck face, dickhead.
Yeah. I like that. Can you come to my graduation?
You ain't graduated yet?
Nah.
Then you graduate what, college? Why are you graduating college?
I dropped out, then I got back in. Then I dropped out again, and this is my last year.
Are you doing it for your family or are you doing it for yourself?
I'm doing it for me.
Because you could fall back on it?
I'm just doing it just to do it.
Yeah, bro. I get it.
For the dorm.
For the culture? The fucking bullshit culture that's fucking doing shit they don't even love because of the paper? You want to talk about bad paper? The diploma fucks people up. You in debt because of this shit?
Yeah, I wanted to join a frat, then they hazed me too hard.
You in debt for this shit?
Yeah, a couple thou wow.
Well, that's good news because you've already made it enough that you'll be able to pay a little thou wow. That ain't gonna stop you. That's just gonna be a couple months, not a couple years. You'll be all right.
Thank you.
Where are you going to college?
I'm going to QCC.
Yeah, fuck that shit. Don't graduate. Big love to QCC.
Fuck that college shit. Drop out and join our team.
Bro, college made a lot of sense at some point in our world. Right now, you think you're getting some great paying job because you got a fucking diploma for fucking Queens Community College? You know better than that shit. Now, if you're doing it for mom and dad like I did, and you love mom and dad so much that you'll do it, that's one thing. But if you're doing it on some theory that it's something to fall back on, falling back on Queens Community College diploma is not it in 2024. No disrespect to QCC. It's just, nobody's hiring you because you went to QCC. They're hiring you. You'll get more jobs on just being good at what you do than you will because of that. So don't amass too much fucking debt and don't amass too much pressure on yourself to get it done.
Like, can you give me a slap for being a bad boy? A slap.
A slap right there?
Not too.
I used to. That's what we used to do in Jersey. We played that slap shit.
Yeah.
So I had a little practice.
You
played pencil fight?
Nah, what's that?
You didn't play in school when you had you played pencil. You guys had pencil fighting, cameraman? You guys had that?
Pencil?
Yeah. Remember the pencil fighting, where you take the pencil and you break that shit? Oh, that was the best. I love pencil fighting. I'm a world class pencil fight champion. Yeah.
You ever play butt tag?
Nah.
Grab ass Tuesday.
Oh yeah, that I understand.
Yeah, I used to
you like that?
Yeah, I used to be in the grab.
In the cut and then run.
Yeah, I used to be in the hallway.
Cover your face.
No, you show your face.
That shit was acceptable back in the day.
Yeah,
They still allow that shit in this culture?
I don't know.
I feel like if you do that shit, you'll be locked the fuck up.
Word, behind bars. Big time.
Big bars.
Big bars. Thank you, man.
Got love for you. Remember what I said.